Welcome. This is for EDCC 640, the community college, and this is my introductory video for the website. And my Q&A paper is focused upon student retention issues, mainly general student retention issues within the community college, and specifically student retention issues amongst minority African American students. I did not focus on a male or female sex. To be honest, I was alarmed at the lack of research and real data that was available for these areas, which I found very interesting. On the flip side of that, I found so much data and research on Asian American retention. It almost was a bit of a joke. Hundreds of things on Asian American students. Very small amount of research, and most of those have came out in the last 10 years. So the reason that I have chosen retention amongst African American students in particular, and this loosely ties onto other minorities, Latino communities, and things of that nature. But the big thing that I have been encountering, especially with Ivy Tech, which is where I work, is we struggle with cultural integration. And a lot of the retention material that I have found really focuses on what we need to do in general. It says all students are the same, that cultural differences, they may or may not apply. It could have an impact, it could not. As we all know, that's ridiculous. So, this paper is a jumping off point for me into a quest of knowledge for myself and hopefully integrating some more policy and mechanisms as we move on. But it's not how we embrace culture. It's mainly about being aware of the differences of each group of students. And I think it goes beyond just one single group, but it's being aware of the differences and celebrating the differences rather than treating everybody as the same and applying a one-size-fits-all method to retention, because as we know, that doesn't work. So my research questions, or the question and answer, it's kind of a question and a half. So I have a question and then a sub-question. The main impetus of this is, how do we improve retention, student retention in the community college in general, and how do we improve retention and engagement of African American students within the community college in particular? So there you have it, a question and a half. My paper will be uploaded later on, and you will find it on the website. So I hope that, if anything, I look forward to your comments, and maybe it has shined some light on something that you may have had a question on. Thank you.